Hello everyone, Tina here for Papertrey Ink. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I hope it's nice and sunshiny. Thanks so much for joining me. Well, I have a super anticipated and wonderful release to share with you. This is the Papertrey Ink's March 2025 release. We're going to go over everything in the release, and then I created a little snippet of what each of the items in the release can do. I hope it inspires you, and I hope you get a chance to check out the brand new release. So let's jump in and get started. First off, we have a brand new stamp set. This is the Papertrey Ink, the Big's Easter Sentiments stamp set. The die set will cut out everything in the stamp set, and it's a larger 2-piece stamp set, and this is what I created with it. It is a beautiful cross, and then the greetings in here are just perfect for the Easter season. I heat embossed it with white embossing powder and then colored in with my alcohol markers the little florals and the cross. But that's new to the shop. We're going to jump into our next stamp set. Next we have a 4x6 stamp set, and then we have the coordinating die set. The die set special, this is called the Easter in Frames. The die set has the frame itself that's perfect for an A2 panel. Let me show you it on a card base. It's just slightly smaller. Okay, and then there's a lot of elements that you can build little scenes in each of these little sections of the frames. There's also a little cloudy background that you can actually separate these. I kept mine together, and then I created an A2 card here using all the little scened elements and did a little stamping. I will actually be creating this card later on in a video for you guys if you want to check out that. There is a brand new Tears of Cheer stamp set. It's the Easter Tears of Cheer, and then there's a coordinating die set. Now, if you're unfamiliar with the Tears of Cheers, what this is this stamp set. This is called the Tears of Cheers. Papertrey Ink came out with it for Christmas. I believe it was a while back. I'm not sure if it was last Christmas or the Christmas before. But what this does is it creates a little tiered tray, and then you can add all of these elements and build your little tray. Okay, so this was Christmas, but it does have the base tier. So you could take this, stamp this, and then add all of these little items to your tray or your tier tray. Let me show you what I did here. So all of these little items are in the stamp set. There's along with the coordinating die set. The frame here is in the original Tears of Cheer set, and so is the tiered tray here. But isn't that so sweet? I think this just makes a lovely little card, and that is new to the shop. Next we have a new This is Big Sentiments stamp set. It's 4x6 stamp set, and then there are 2 coordinating blessings dies that will go with the stamp set, of course. This is the Many Blessings, and you stamp the greeting blessings. I did here with my orange zest and my spring moss, and then I die cut them out with the coordinating dies, and then you can add all these sub-sentiments or pre-sentiments to go with it. We have one more stamp set in the March release. This is called Reflections. This is John 3:16. It's a very popular Bible verse. I just love it. It's a beautiful verse. And then there is a coordinating die that is the Reflections, John 3:16 also. This die is, I wouldn't say it cuts out, but it does cut out a cross shape inside the cardstock, and then it gives you a little dotted detail. Okay, and this greeting will fit perfectly in here. Okay, so the die has cut lines not in the middle, but on the top, bottom, left, and right. Okay, it makes for a very beautiful card. So that's what that does. And I did stamp the greeting and heat embossed it with gold. And then I just highlighted those edges that you could actually pop up a little bit for a little, so it will stand out. But that's the Reflections, John 3:16 stamp set. That's new also. Now we're going to move along to the die sets. We're going to start off with a brand new Line It Up die set. There are 5 greetings on a line in this set. This is called Faith, and I die cut them all out to share with you. the fonts and how pretty they are. There are 3 faiths, and then there's hope and love. They are the good things he gave us. And I just love the font of these. They're just beautiful, scripty sentiments on a line. That is new to the shop. There is a brand new Love to Layer set. This is the scalloped diamonds. And it's hard to tell on camera, but those scallops do have little dotted detail. Let me show you. I hope the camera can pick it up. But I die cut these out, and look how pretty they are. Of course, it's called Love to Layer, and so they are beautifully layered together. But aren't those fun? Okay, I was super excited about these. This is the perfectly foiled circles. I know that one release, Papertrey Ink had came out with the perfectly coiled hot foil plate. It is so pretty, and I was super excited when they came out with the perfectly coiled circles because you can die cut them out in any color of cardstock. The larger one, the swirlies go in. The smaller one, the swirlies go out, and they're very, very delicate. But I think they'll enhance any project that you create with them. Guess what? We have another perfectly coiled. This time we have rectangles. So much fun. I die cut mine out with some pale colored cardstock, perfect for spring. Both of these, the swirlies are on the outside, but isn't that so playful and fun? I think it will be beautiful to frame anything that you create. Okay, next up we have a big die set. Now this is called Build a Lamb, and this is so sweet. Oh my goodness. If you love stitching, you're going to love this because there's little lambs that you could stitch with felt because you see the little holes on there. But if you want to just die cut out the little lamb, there's those elements too. So it's a very versatile die set. It's called, again, Build a Lamb. There are little features that you can add. 2 different eyes. There's some flowers and florals and greenery. And it's so sweet. Are you ready to see how cute this little guy is? Oh my gosh, this is... Oops, too excited here. But this is so sweet. Look at... How cute is this? Oh my goodness, I fell in love with this cute little guy with all the layers and the dimension. So sweet. This is the brand new Papertrey Ink Build a Lamb. We have one more die set, and this die set is super fun. This is called Egg Hunt. It has just 3 eggs here that you can die cut out, but there's also some dotted or pierced plates that you can add to any of the layers. What you would do is just die cut out each of the eggs that you want, and then you would layer this over the top of the egg. The largest will fit this perfectly. So, and then you would just run it through your die cut machine, and then you have some little dotted details on your Easter eggs. How cute is this? I went ahead and did this and colored it in. Some of it I ink blended, some of them I masked off and colored it in, but you can see the little dotted detail. So cute. Okay, and I did the largest one here. Against an A2 panel, it is like the perfect size. So cute. But I love that there's 2 sizes smaller. Okay, and speaking of Egg Hunt, I'm going to bring in our brand new stencil set because this is the Egg Hunt stencil collection. Okay, this set has it has six different patterns that you can color in the eggs with. We have some squiggly lines, we have some diagonal stripes, we have polka dots, and then we have some horizontal lines. Look how pretty those could be flowers or sunshines, I would say. Just a pretty design. And then you have some florals. So you can stencil your eggs once you die cut them out. So cute. So this is the Egg Hunt stencil collection. And then this is the Egg Hunt die set. So much fun. Let me show you what I did with the stencil collection. This is the medium size egg here. I did some stripes. And then I did that sunshiny element, and I did some polka dots. So cute. And again, this is the medium size egg. But look how cute it looks on a card. Lovely for Easter. Okay, I have one more stencil to share with you. Let's put these to the side. This here is called the Flourished in Faith Stencil Collection. It's a 3-piece layered stencil, and it is so pretty, you guys. I know stencil. This is just gorgeous for this, and this is in our not only great for Easter, but so many different occasions. I think this is just gorgeous. I went ahead and stenciled. Look how pretty that is. I mean, that is so. It was so simple to do, because there's 3 different layers, and it creates just stunning results with this. That's again called the Flourished in Faith Stencil Collection. Now last but not least, we have a brand new hot foil plate. This is called Risen, and it'll completely cover an A2 background. It's all filled with beautiful words. I foiled mine with some matte gold cardstock, but look how pretty that is. That'd make a great background for just about anything. So cute. Let me show you it with a little. Look how cute that would be. So cute. It's a beautiful Risen hot foil plate. So pretty. And that's everything in the release this month. A lot of fun spring and Easter goodies. Later on during the month, we're going to be creating some projects using some of these items. So keep a lookout for those videos. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for sticking with me to the end. I have 2 more videos that you guys might be interested here. If you guys are new and like the content that you see, click that subscribe button and also the notification bell. That way for future videos, be notified. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It sure does help the channel. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.